Ever wondered just how much digital dough you can move around on Uphold in a single day? Moneybag, you're not alone. It's a question many users have, whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just getting started with managing your digital assets. Understanding withdrawal limits is crucial for planning your transactions and avoiding unexpected hurdles. Uphold is a popular digital money platform that allows you to buy, sell, and hold a wide variety of assets, from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to traditional fiat currencies and even precious metals. This flexibility is a huge draw, but it also means there are different rules and limits that apply depending on what you're withdrawing and how you're doing it. First things first, Uphold's withdrawal limits aren't a one-size-fits-all number. They vary based on a few key factors. This is arguably the most significant factor. Uphold, like most regulated financial platforms, operates with different verification tiers. To combat fraud and comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations, they require users to provide varying levels of personal information. Basic verification: when you first sign up and provide minimal details, your withdrawal limits will be quite low. This is typically enough for very small, initial transactions. Intermediate verification: as you provide more information, such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, and potentially a selfie, your limits will significantly increase. Most regular users fall into this category. Pro, or higher, verification: for individuals or businesses with very high transaction volumes, Uphold offers higher verification tiers. These typically involve enhanced due diligence, and you'd likely need to contact Uphold support directly to explore these options. The higher your verification level, the more you can withdraw daily, weekly, and monthly. It's important to complete your verification process fully to unlock the higher limits that might be necessary for your needs. Are you trying to withdraw Bitcoin, Ethereum, or perhaps US dollars? The type of asset also plays a role. While Uphold strives for consistency, some cryptocurrency networks might have their own inherent limitations or higher fees that indirectly affect how much you can effectively withdraw. Fiat withdrawals to a bank account via ACH in the US or faster payments in the UK will have different limits than, say, withdrawing crypto to an external wallet. How you choose to withdraw your funds also impacts the limits. Bank transfers, ACH, FPS, SEPA for U.S. customers, ACH withdrawals can have daily limits up to $25,000, with weekly limits reaching $175,000 and monthly limits up to $700,000. UK users withdrawing via FPS can also see daily limits around £25,000. These are generally the highest limits for fiat withdrawals. Debit card/Apple Pay. If you're using your Uphold card for ATM withdrawals, there's typically a daily limit of around £1,000 or equivalent in other currencies, with a maximum of 2 transactions. For retail transactions using the card, limits can go up to £10,000 per day. Crypto network withdrawals. When sending crypto to an external wallet, the limits are typically quite generous, often reaching $500,000 per day for intermediate users and $10 million plus per day for pro users. However, network fees and blockchain congestion can affect the practical speed and cost of these transactions. Uphold calculates limits based on rolling periods. This means daily isn't necessarily a calendar day from midnight to midnight. It's often a 24-hour period from your last withdrawal. The same applies to weekly, past 7 days, and monthly, past 30 days, limits. So, if you withdraw a large sum, you might need to wait 24 hours before you can withdraw a similar amount again, even if a new calendar day has started. For most verified personal users, intermediate level, you can expect daily withdrawal limits for fiat currency via bank transfer to be in the range of $25,000 or equivalent in pound sterling to euro. For cryptocurrency withdrawals to an external wallet, this can be significantly higher, often around $500,000. These are general figures, and Uphold's official fees and limits page on their support site is always the most accurate and up-to-date source for specific numbers based on your region and verification status. If you find your current limits insufficient, your primary course of action is to contact Uphold support and inquire about increasing your limits. Be prepared to provide additional documentation for enhanced due diligence. They may or may not be able to accommodate your request, but it's always worth asking if your needs exceed the standard limits. Understanding these factors will help you navigate Uphold effectively and ensure your funds are accessible when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.